Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'll tell you how to hide our active status on Instagram. So firstly, click on your profile icon. So just click on this and here is your profile page. This is your profile page. Now click on this three sidebar. Click on this. Now scroll down and look for message and story replies. Click on this and there you have find the option of show activity status. Just click on this and turn it off. So now you have successfully hidden your activity status, so no one can see you that you are online or offline. So guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.